Hello, beauty lovers. You're tuning into Beautyistic, where we break down the latest in beauty, skincare, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to give your eyes a rejuvenated, refreshed look, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream. This eye cream is designed to target dark circles, puffiness, and signs of fatigue, all while you sleep. But does it deliver on its lofty claims? Let's find out. The Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream is part of the brand's iconic night repair line. It's housed in a sleek, recyclable glass jar, and you get 0.5 fluid ounces of product, which may seem like a small amount, but trust me, a little goes a long way. The formula is packed with a variety of ingredients meant to nourish and hydrate the delicate skin around the eyes. These include Estee Lauder's proprietary Chronolux Power Signal Technology, which is said to help restore the skin's natural rhythm, along with peptides, hyaluronic acid, and caffeine, all aimed at improving the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. When it comes to texture, this gel cream is incredibly lightweight, with a smooth, almost watery consistency that feels cool to the touch. It absorbs quickly into the skin, leaving behind no greasy residue, which I love. The lightweight formula makes it easy to apply both in the morning and evening, even when you're rushing through your skincare routine. But how did it perform? After incorporating this into my routine for a couple of weeks, I noticed a definite improvement in how my under eye area looked. The puffiness that usually plagues me first thing in the morning was reduced, and my dark circles seemed lighter after consistent use. The formula provided a nice, refreshing feel without overwhelming the skin. However, while it did hydrate and depuff, I didn't notice any drastic change in fine lines or wrinkles, but this could be a longer-term effect that I'll need to see over time. In terms of performance, it's definitely a solid product for combating tired, puffy eyes. However, I did find that if you apply too much, it can leave a slightly sticky finish, so I recommend sticking to just a small amount. A little definitely goes a long way here. So what are the pros and cons? On the positive side, it's lightweight, hydrating, and visibly reduces puffiness. It also comes in a beautiful, eco-friendly glass jar, which feels luxurious and high-end. On the flip side, the price point is a little steep, and while it targets dark circles, I didn't see a complete transformation in mine. Also, if you're sensitive to scents, this one has a subtle fragrance, which might not be ideal for everyone. Now let's talk about value for money. At around $70 for 0.5 aughts, it's definitely on the pricier side, but when you compare it to other high-end eye creams, it's actually fairly competitive. Plus, the performance in terms of depuffing and hydrating is pretty strong. I think it's worth it if you're someone who struggles with puffiness and is looking for a product that feels refreshing. When compared to other products in the same category, like the Kiehl's Avocado Eye Cream or the Olay Eyes Depuffing Eye Roller, this Estee Lauder cream offers a bit more in terms of skin benefits, like its hydration and smoothing effects, though those alternatives are more affordable. As for build quality, I love the glass jar. It's sturdy, recyclable, and gives the product a luxurious feel. The formula is also well thought out, and I didn't experience any irritation or breakouts, which is always a plus when dealing with sensitive skin around the eyes. Now, customer support. I haven't needed to contact Estee Lauder for this specific product, but the brand is known for good customer service, so if any issues arise, you're in safe hands. When it comes to alternatives, you could consider something like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream, which is much more affordable and also provides excellent hydration. It's not as focused on dark circles or puffiness, but it's a solid choice for those on a budget. So, to wrap it up, the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Gel Cream is a strong contender for those dealing with puffiness and dryness around the eyes. While it's a bit of a splurge, it's a product that delivers results in terms of hydration and reducing puffiness. If you have the budget and are looking for a luxurious treatment, this might be your go-to. If this review helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a beauty breakdown like this. Your support means so much. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.